Dude, how'd you do that?
I have no clue.
Damn. What's up, guys?
Hey, David!
Dude, look at this new game I got, 007.
Holy crap!
Dude, let's play it.
Oh.
All right, man. I'll put it in the 360. Seriously.
I'm gonna rape you.
Not if I rape you firster.
Oh my gosh, dude, it fits in there without any hesitation at all.
OMG.
That's awesome.
Son of a... You piece of crap! This is for 007!
Okay. Thank you. That's enough. Let's go. Well, man. No! It's not worth it! 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 It's gone. It's not worth it! It's not worth it! It's not worth it!
Alright, Nipper. Forgot to turn off the light. Donald? Is that you? Whoa, whoa! Who's there? Who is that?
Oh my god. This can't be, man. You're not real. You're not real.
Yeah.